Hello guys, ito ang campsite Mabini, Bohol. It's 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City, 20 pesos entrance. Pwede kang mag-overnight dito, 200 pesos per head plus magrenta kaya ng tent. Mayroon silang kainan, pwede kang mag-order. May toilet naman sila para sa mga mag-camping. Pero pagka Friday at Saturday, marami masyadong tao dito na nag-overnight. Yan, pwede kang kumain dyan, mag-order ka lang sa kanilang restaurant. Parang ano ito, parang New Zealand ng Bohol. Pero hindi ganon kalinis ang tubig para maligo or magkayak-kayak dyan. Hindi naman sumagi sa isip ng may-ari na magpakayak dito, baka risky. Saka may part dyan na maitim ang tubig. Pwede rin mag-fishing dyan, may mga tilapia, bayaran mo lang yung huli mo. Napasama lang ako dito or nakasama ako dito ng mga pinsan ko, pero madalas ako dito magdala ng guest, tour guide, tour driver pala ako dito sa Bohol. PM me kung gusto nyong magrenta ng aking van, libre drone service na kagaya nito. Ganda dito guys, hindi nakakasawa. Wag lang masyadong mainit. Hindi mo ma-appreciate ang view kapag mainit masyado. Nagmamadali kang umalis or sumilong dahil malagkit na ang iyong pawis. Unlike sa Stampa Mountain Restaurant na always may breeze doon, mahangin lagi. Pero the same pa din, kung masyadong mainit, hindi mo ma-appreciate ang view. Shoutout nga pala sa ate ko, mga pinsan na nakasama dito. Ganda dito guys. Tsaka pag pumunta ka rito, kasama na ang ibang attractions like Anda, Stampa Mountain Restaurant sa Gindulman. Pwede ka rin dumaan ng Kandihay for the rice terraces kung season, at saka yung Kanomantan Falls. Pag ako nagdala ng turista dito, 5 to 6 attractions. Porme sa alis ng mga guests, kung maaga, maparami, maka 6, pero paspasa na yung 6 na yon kasi yung iba gusto pang mag-chill-chill, ayaw pang umalis agad. 4 to 6 attraction or 5 to 6. So hindi ka lugi sa biyahe mo dito. Sa 5 attractions na yon, sulit na yon. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. See you in my next video guys.
Cause I chill with warm and you can run far. You chill with guns and gun, you make the fun. Cause I love you by the hands and feet in my present now. Love you by the hands. Skip it, him, skip it, him, skip. Skip it, him, skip it, him, skip, school. Skip it, him, skip it, him, skip. Skip it, him, skip it, him, skip, school. Hands and feet, my friends, and I'm not hands and feet. And don't you burn the bridges up behind him, but put it down. Don't you burn your bridges up behind him. Cause if you burn the bridges up, then it's a one thing to do. That you dance with that we soon need just in the sun. Don't you body heads and a beat in the buzzing now. Don't you body heads and feet in the house. Skip it in, skip it in, skip. Skip it in, skip it in, skip school. Skip it in, skip it in, skip. Skip it in, skip it in, skip school. Skip, skip it in, skip. Skip it in, skip it in, skip school. Skip it in, skip it in, skip. Skip it in, skip it in, skip school. I got a bag of something from the screen.